Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. That's a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I have some Amsterdam Black mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800, and I'm going to try and have some fun. I don't usually pour paint, or I don't do it often. I haven't spun in a while either. I need to do that soon. You know what? I feel like using up my other Amsterdam. See if I can get any to come out. But that's looking very thick. Thicker than it should, in fact. Never mind. I changed my mind about what I was going to do. And I think I need to lead some paint out. Leave that white right where it is. Get swept up in the rest of everything pretty quick. Now, I used to call this an inversion pour. You could call it a funnel pour. It's actually a canning funnel pour, at least for the moment. And I'm going to put my funnel down and hope that that is a bubble. It wasn't. Maybe it was. I don't know. I think I'm going to put a little more paint down. And I'm going to get rid of that spatula so it doesn't dry on there. And put a little bit of Chantilly lace in the bottom, which I have added some art fluid to. I've got Red, Violet, Vivid, Intense, Fluorescent. It's going to be a lot of purples. I'm going to have to pick a turquoise, I think. This is Blue Velvet. Use some Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. Water Lily, which is a lot like Red Violet. This is Ginger Peach. I'm trying to decide. I think it's going to be Frozen. Give it a quick shake. That's looking pretty thick, but pretty colors anyway. Now I think I've got a small spatula, a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Just going to let all that extra paint go right down. Well, that's pretty. I'm done. No, I'm kidding. I'm going to grab, hopefully, the appropriate sized edge catcher. I got one more side I want to do, and then I'm probably going to leave it and say I like negative space. But I'm going to take some of this paint right now. I don't care if there's any color in it. It's only going to make it interesting. I've got a little corner here. And a corner here. I'd have to say this one's worth the mess. And then I've got this one last side and I'll be done. Here comes the torch. Paint. Right there. The good thing is it's got GAC 800 and gold and Floetrol in it. Back to torching. That is just tremendously beautiful in my opinion. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel, and if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly.